They say that crows remember you, and if you wrong them, they never forget. But if you try to befriend them, they never forget that either. And if you get like a shiny treat all of a sudden, like a screw or a coin or something that they brought for you, that's because you are in very good graces with them, and they never forget anything. They teach every generation. If they don't like you, every generation will know. So they like unsalted peanuts in the shell. So we're gonna try it and see. Never cross a crow.